Hey guys, good afternoon. So we're heading down to Main Street and hanging out all day. So just looking for celebrities, walking around, having some lunch, and yeah, I've heard they have Walking Around Chocolate Factory here in Main Street. I just saw it last night, so hopefully we're gonna get this dessert here. So yeah, we're off to Main Street. So by the way, walking out this Sundance hat with a boa and a Sundance shirt and bring this the USB power brick car charger. So this one I got for Christmas. So we bought it with us. So yeah, let's go ahead and have some fun. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, so we made it to Main Street. We're parked at the underground parking garage, so we have to walk to Main Street and find my aunt. So by the way, bought my chapstick with me. My mom just got me from Walmart before we leave. So I got myself a chapstick so that way I don't get chappy. So yeah, we're getting ready to start walking. We're in a garage and then
Silver nugget.
yeah. We found a parking space, so yeah, now we're gonna start walking. Look at that view. Look at that view of Main Street. This is so cool. Here's the Door TV lounge.
You want to wait a minute or not?
That is so cool. That's Door
Let's
TV.
see who comes out.
Alright guys, I finally found my aunt. We're just staying here waiting to meet a whole bunch of celebrities. So yeah. I'm just staying here with my family waiting for a whole lot of celebrities.
I'm not around the people I was hearing saying names.
I don't know who's the guy over there.
To that point, I didn't even know who they were talking about. Just start getting pictures. If anyone's taking pictures. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we finally got the first star, Pete Davidson.
I'm going to give it. I'm sending it.
What's it from?
Saturday Night Live.
Saturday Night Live.
It's what?
And he was engaged to Ariana Grande.
Oh wow.
He was engaged to Ariana Grande.
Yeah, so we finally caught the first
And
star.
Machine Gun Kelly just walked by.
Yeah, Machine Gun Kelly just walked by. Alright guys, so we're eating at the Main Street Pizza and Noodle for lunch. And yeah, so it's my first time eating there. So, oh, it's menu outside, sorry about that. I'm gonna go with pasta number 5. Because that's what's together. Main Street Pizza and Noodle. What do you think, Angie?
I think it's great.
So, we caught Ed Holmes from The Hangover, and we almost caught the guy as he leaves. Angie?
Yep, we did.
We got Ed Holmes, and also, we almost caught the guy. Angie?
What?
We almost caught him because he's trying to leave.
Yep.
Oh my god, a red
We're not the first
wine.
ones.
Oh man.
Trina's got something there too. That
So
bread.
anyway, I got pasta number 5.
That's garlic bread, isn't it?
With the homemade meatballs, also cheese,
You know, in all reality,
noodles. And what is that?
that's garlic bread.
That's a garlic bread right here. We got hot salad and
Bread and cheese. You know, maybe they're just overpriced because it is the homemade stuff.
Alright, that's my meal. Right now we're at Walking Around Chocolate Factory to get a little dessert. So yeah. Look at that, caramel apples. Wow,
Just
look
the
at
plain
that.
chocolate one. This one has chocolate too. It's just white chocolate.
So anyway, I got raspberry truffle and milk chocolate truffle, which is over there. So yeah, gotta eat one as a dessert. So that's why I got it. So why not we're leaving the chocolate factory.
Oh, wait.
Alright guys, so we're at the Sundance TV headquarters to get a portrait. So one of the group of guys, they carried me upstairs because I want to experience it. So yeah, this is my experience. Look at that. How about you, Bob?
You look good.
Is this your experience too? Mom,
What?
is this your experience too?
Yes, it's a great experience.
So anyway, we're getting a portrait. So yeah, we're getting a portrait. Oh my god, so I got a portrait and now my aunt and mom's turn to take a portrait.
Thank you.
They take the portrait and here's our portrait. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that.
This is their coffee house, and they get bought out by Sundance. So this is a coffee house usually when it's not Sundance, it's called Stoked.
Oh yeah.
And this was supposed to be Trina's tumbler, but they accidentally put my espresso in your tumbler. But this is your hot cocoa.
Oh cool.
Yes.
So I got hot cocoa and mocha espresso.
We're in the Sundance headquarters. Trina's drinking her. What are you drinking?
Hot cocoa.
And it's all in here. We got our portraits taken. We're showing some of the films. Free snacks.
I'm a vlogger.
Yes, you're a vlogger. You look so cute with your hat on. What does
I'm
your
a
hat
press.
say? And then there's the guy from
I
the
don't know
coffee
about
shop.
press. I'm a vlogger.
It's really busy in here. It's starting to drizzle.
I think it's
Oh, okay.
Yep. Towards me. A little more. Good. Sorry, Al. I forgot. You're good. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3.
Going. Oh, sorry. Oh, you guys are so
You
great.
guys make it look so easy. You guys are awesome.
This is Park City, Utah. Look at that. Top of a Sundance. So some people they put buns in front of the
Sorry.
Main Street pizza and noodles. The food we did eat before any of the celebrities came. Why, Mom?
Magazine on my
Mom?
hood? Yeah.
What?
Is that a magazine on my hood still?
So good food we ate there
I put
before the
that magazine
celebrities
on my hood.
come.
Where'd it-
Trina.
Look at that
record
ski lift.
Ski lift.
Oh wow!
Here, hold her arm. Hold her
Look
arm.
at that.
Isn't that really cool? And you might see a skier. The skiers go across the bridge.
Oh yeah. That is so cool.
I'm not getting it. You got it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
There's some ski guys. Oh man.
Heidi. I got it.
Thank you for letting me know.
Where'd he go? Oh, here
He's
he
right
is.
there.
He's coming.
You getting him, Trina?
He's having a hard time with it. He went down for a second.
Is he waiting for someone?
Maybe.
I mean it's. Oh, there he is.
Oh, someone else is coming right now. Wonder if that's who he's waiting.
Here you go. Here he comes. Get it.
Oh, here. Oh, yeah,
Here he goes.
was.
Get a good,
He
get a
was
good
wa-
close up.
He was waiting for.
Here he goes. Trina's doing good on the video. They're both snowboarders. Look. Are you getting that? Here you go. They have theaters all over the place.
Whoa, look at that.
They have messengers back here. Yeah.
Look at this, guys. That must be the whole swag of Sundance stuff. This is the whole swag.
I'm coming.
This is unlimited. I think it's a limited shop during the
excuse us.
Sundance
Sorry.
Film Festival. Alright guys, we're at the Sundance store This is a limited store.
Here.
It goes to February 3rd.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So look at all the stuff here. I mean, look at all the stuff. Bunch of souvenirs from
Sit up, Shannon,
Sundance.
for a second.
Alright guys, so we're at Walking Mountain Show Company.
Sorry.
Oh, no,
So
you're
you
good.
look
Pictures to
around.
my daughter. To
No,
find out
you're
what's
fine. I'm
See
just
the
looking.
souvenirs. So this is a cool shop, right, Mom?
Yeah.
I definitely you guys check out Walking Mountain Show Company if you live in Park City or visiting Park City. Just make sure to stop by and tell those guys that 3 Minute 100 sent you. So yeah. Just standing at the Chase Side Fire. Hear the music playing.
Get past the people, get past the hitman! Get on that man. I wanna get on the good foot. I got to get on the good foot.
Alright guys, back at the hotel, my mom and my aunt went to the movies at the Sundance Film Festival. So I want to show you stuff I got here today. So here is the Sundance Film Festival 2019 tote bag. Has a pink strap, pretty nice detailed on the tote bag, pretty nice. And also we got this pen right here, one for me, one for Angie. So yeah, this was the pen right here. This is Sundance Film Festival 2019. So yeah, this is from the festival store. So yeah. And also this shirt that is from Walking Mountain Shirt Company. So it says Park City, Utah on it, and it has a zipper on it, and pretty nice soft sleeves. So yeah, pretty nice detail on it. And I don't know what it is on the back. So yeah, that is a pretty nice shirt from the Walking Mountain Shirt Company. So yeah, I can't wait to wear those. And also this is from the Walking Mountain Shirt Company. It is a t-shirt that says, "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, except for bears. Bears will kill you." There's a picture of a bear, and it says Park City, Utah on it. So that is my t-shirt. I can't wait to wear this too. So this one, we got 2 lunch boxes. That says Sundance Film Festival 2019. So yeah, you can put stuff in it. And also this looking makeup bag. We actually got 2 of these. And this is Risk Independence Sundance Film Festival 2019. So we got 2 of these. And also this coaster is right there. It says Sundance Film Festival. And also got this 2 cups. So, yeah, we got the 2 cups. So, it is actually the same. So, we got the same one. So, yeah. And also the rest of these are from Mom and my aunt. That's from Walking Man Shirt Company. So, yeah. And also the Sundance Festival store. So, yeah. Here's the stuff I got from the Sundance Festival store and Walking Man Shirt Company. So, yeah. And also we got some stuff for free. The free gloves that says Sundance Now, so we got it for free. And also this is from the headquarters. And also 2 of the Sundance Film Festival water bottles and more water bottles. And also the wallet thing that clips onto the phone. So, yeah. So here's all the stuff I got. Oh, and one more thing, guys. I showed you guys that portrait that we take. That's from earlier in this vlog. So, yeah. Please go ahead, rewind it, and see it. Or, yeah. Just go ahead, rewind it, and see my portrait. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Okay, this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. But we'll check back tomorrow for more Sundance Film Festival. So, yeah, remember it is daily vlogs on the weekday until it goes back to the normal schedule. So, yeah, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, as all adventures you want it to be, and next vlog, please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.